Okay. Now the third experiment to check the density. So which experiment are we going to do? Density. Now first we require honey, water, oil, cooking oil, and to check sponge, grapes, a nail which is of iron, and a bottle cap. Yes. Now first I will put this honey into the glass. Now after that I will put the water. And then oil. Now see in this glass, according to the density, the honey which has higher density, it settles at the bottom, and then upon it we have water, and oil being more less density, it floats on the water. Now first what I will do, I will take this nail and I will put it in it. So can anyone tell what will happen, where it will float? It will go just below, down, see here. Yes. Now the lemon. See the lemon. Where it is? Yes. Where is the grapes?
In water. In the water.
Yes, just above the lemon. Now this cap, bottle cap. Yes. And this sponge. See this here. You can see all the three layers and all the fourth rings floating on the layers. At the bottom what we have? What is there at the bottom? Nail, which is very heavy. And above the nail what is there? Grape. And at the third layer? Bottle cap. And at the top sponge, because it is very lighter, so it floats on the oil. So you can check the density of the all the three liquids. Which is more lighter, it is on the water, it floats, which is oil, and then water, and at the bottom we have honey. Now can anyone tell why oil floats? Yes? Why?
Oil is thinner,
Lighter?
lighter than water.
Yes, because oil is lighter than water. And why honey? It sinks. Yes? Anyone from?
Honey has more density.
Yes, because honey has more density. It is higher. And so it floats. So it at the bottom.